Welcome back traders, what's going on? In the previous lecture I have discussed about the importance and advantage of technical analysis. So in this lecture today I am going to explain you about the major chart analysis of currency trading market. Well, there are some chart of the financial market. So we will explain line chart, bar chart and candlestick chart in the financial trading market. Those type of chart pattern are widely important for you and it also way to identify better trading position. Are you ready to learn? So let's discuss how to analyze those type of chart pattern. Line chart. So a line chart is widely used for market analysis. It is usually applied in the graphic method of forecasting. A line chart helps to identify pattern and build the most accurate levels of support and resistance. This line chart is the most basic type of technical chart that show the only closing price of each time frame. A simple line chart draws a line from one closing price to the next closing price. When we can see the general price movement of the currency pair, it's simple to follow, but the line chart may not provide you much detail about the price behavior within the period. You think that the price closed at the end of the period, but you have no way to know what else happened from this period. But it does help you see trend more easily compared to the closing price from one period to the next. The line chart can be drawn for various time frame and it also shows trend the best, which is simply the slope of the line. So let's see the real chart example. This is Euro USD 4-hour chart. You will notice that the market price rises up at the period of time. That means market goes to an uptrend. On the same way, market price fall down at the moment. That means market goes to an downtrend. And market also build up accurate support and resistance level. Line chart used for identify the trend on a price action chart. Bar chart. Bar chart is a little more complex to understand, but it is much more versatile than the line chart. It shows you the opening, closing, high and low price of a time frame. The top of the bar indicates the highest price of the currency, and the bottom of the vertical bar indicates the lowest price of the currency. A small tick on the left side indicates the opening price, and the right side indicates the closing price. The bar chart can be drawn for various time frames. You know that original bar charts are black and white, and some broker and trading platform provide us the option for color the bar chart. Bar charts are basically used in the black and white format. So let's see the real chart example. This is the Euro USD 1-hour chart. The chart is created with the use for bar where each bar has a high and low with a line either side. Right side being the opening price and the left side being the closing price for the selected time frame. On the Forex bar chart, the length of the each bar indicates the price movement over a trading period for the given currency pair. Candlestick chart. Candlesticks are very easy to interrupt and are a good place for beginners to start figuring out financial market chart analysis. Candlesticks are good at identifying market turning points reversal from an uptrend to a downtrend or a downtrend to an uptrend. Read the candlestick chart is a great starting point for you and you also an understanding of how to read the market chart in general. Candlestick chart show the same price action information as bar chart, but it is much clear graphical format. Candlestick still indicate the high and low range. The real body of the middle show the range between the opening and closing price. Here candlestick represent 4 distinct value of the chart: the opening price, closing price, high and low price during the period. As you can see the chart, when you read the candle, depending on the opening and closing price. When the closing price is higher than the opening price, it's called a bullish candlestick. On the other hand, when the closing price is lower than our opening price, it's known as a bearish candlestick. Bearish and bullish are indicate the different color. For now, just remember that on the Forex chart, we use black and white candlestick instead of red and green, and we will using this color from right now. And the upper and lower shadow of the candlestick represent the highest and lowest price during the time period. You know that candlestick charts are most useful for liquid market. So not more today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.